Hi, I am going to show you how to crochet with regular thin thread, not yarn. Sorry for it being slightly dark. So, we're going to start by taking our hand and getting our thread, and we're going to make a slip knot, which you'll get your hand like this with your needle, and you're gonna take it from behind and wrap it. Then you're gonna take your finger, hold it on there, grab the thread, wrap it around, pull it through, pull. Then you have that. Then you're gonna chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to take your needle, go through the first loop you made, the first chain. Just like that. Then you're going to take the thread and wrap it around the needle and pull it through. Then thread it through like both holes and then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Then you're going to wrap the thread around the needle. So you wrap the thread around the needle. Hold it with your finger. This is a hard part. You have to try and find the middle of it, the hole, which would be the middle. Wrap the thread around the needle, pull it through, then you'll end up with 3. You see 1, see the 3? Then you'll wrap this around, pull it through those 2, and you'll end up with 2 more. Take the thread, pull it through, wrap the thread, put it through that same hole, and do it again. And then you have 3 chains.